A few and I'm gonna be snatched.
When do I look at the camera? When do I look? Hi, what a surprise that you're here. Look at my face.
Hey Big Brats, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisha Brittany, and if you didn't know, now you know. How's everybody doing, you guys? I have been on this out of the moment splurge health kick, and I figured why not share it with my subscribers. So if you want to see just how I am keeping in shape, maintaining my thick but lit slim little figure, as well as eating and trying to work out right, make sure you guys stay tuned. Start off with breakfast, and I know if you're a teacher you're gonna probably say breakfast is the best meal or the most important meal of the day. Yes, that is true, breakfast is important. But when you're older and you wake up earlier, I don't know about you, but I'm just usually not hungry at the crack of dawn. I love to incorporate into my daily routine is making smoothies, because it is a great way to get in any source of vegetables and fruits for your day, and you literally are drinking it, so it's like you're not really thinking like, I'm eating vegetables, I'm eating fruit. The ingredients to the smoothie that I usually put are spinach, a little bit of kale. If I don't have any kale, I usually use some kale powder, or even something like some spirulina. This time I believe I had a whole pack, which was like everything mixed together, which is a super simple way, an easy way to get it all in. Followed by some strawberries, some fresh strawberries. I prefer fresh strawberries just because frozen strawberries sometimes, I don't know, I just feel like they just don't blend right with the smoothie, and they sometimes don't have that organic smooth consistency that you get from a fresh strawberry. The water, blend it all up, and I'm good to go. Because I don't eat a big breakfast, I always try to make sure that I get most of my carbs in the middle of the day, not too early in the morning and also not too late at night. So try to make sure that it is also something very healthy and something that tastes good. Like, who doesn't want to eat something that tastes amazing? Chicken gyros. If you don't know, Trader Joe's is one of my ultimate favorite grocery stores. I don't know what it is about Trader Joe's. Everyone is just so freaking friendly in Trader Joe's. The food is cheap, it's healthy, it's organic. You just can't beat it. Trader Joe's sponsored your girl, because that was a sale. So this chicken gyro was actually a recipe that I found on TikTok, and I have been in love ever since. I actually made it for my family this day, but all in all, it was still something that was super yummy to eat. Even though my go-to would probably be something fast food, because I am trying to eat healthy and clean, and I definitely do not want to negate any work or progress that I am doing with my workouts, I make sure that I eat a very super clean, fresh, and healthy lunch. Know your girl's favorite winner.
Cold world. Southside, can't get enough, can't get enough. East side, west side, worldwide. Ride out. Nah, I ain't got no kids yet, but this right here's for practice. I hate to get the seats in the bins wet, but that's how good your ass is.
Lunch, I'm usually not really eating much throughout the day. If I do have something, it'll usually be a healthy snack, which is usually some type of fruit or some sort of vegetables with a dip. That's usually it. I try to keep it really light, especially when I'm eating clean, just because I don't want to add on too many calories or eat too much before a workout. Working out, my workout schedule is usually around 6 to 7 o'clock. So within that time frame, it's like usually right before dinner and right after lunch. So I just make sure to eat light and then drink lots of water. Usually my favorite thing to eat is something light, like a salad, because I really don't like to eat something too heavy before bedtime, just because I feel like I blow a lot, and then when I wake up in the morning, I'm still bloated from the dinner from the night before. New favorite salads. It's not even this crazy intriguing salad. It literally has 4 ingredients, and sometimes 5 if you feel like adding a protein, which is chicken or meat. So feta, olive oil, and spinach is just, it's so simple. It reminds me of the salads that you get at Italian restaurants. I'm not sure. I think it's a Capri salad, but if not, I will be sure to put the correct one down here.
For the underground, quality, pimp seat, H-Town will bring it down. Met a bad bitch that'll cut all night, that'll suck all night. You just cut off lights. Almost missed my flight, trying to get my last little nut. Alright, she be down for whatever. Whenever I wanna get up in the guts. Alright, never fuss or fight. On the grind trying to find this that ace. I love it when you give me head. I hate it when you give me headaches.
Said I heard you got a main chick, a mistress and some hoes. You be up to no good and everybody know. My homegirls tried to warn me, they tried to let me know. What you got, I need a lot, so I can't let you go.
She said I can't get enough, can't get enough.
I need that.
I can't get enough, can't get enough.
I need that.
I can't get enough for what you got. Good God, you hit the spot. Try to let go, but I just cannot. So don't you stop, I need that.
Pop a Perky just to start a pop 2 cups of purple just to.
Even though I love drinking coffee, I always make sure that I am drinking my lemon water. I don't know about you guys, but once I got a hold of lemon water and I started drinking it more often, it did wonders for my skin. So one thing that I do make sure to cut out is definitely no sodas. I drink lots and lots of water, as well as I do not drink liquor throughout the week. I try to save my drinking days for the weekend if I do have a drink, and if I don't, that's even better. Let me just tell you, whenever I have the simplest breakout, literally it's usually because I stopped drinking lemon water. Even if it is a makeup issue or something of the sort, lemon water will always 110% get your girl back on track.
I got rocks, big bills, big arms, stomach gun. Come out and play, let's have fun. Big scales, fish scale, big weight, iceberg, ice tray, plug call. Try to front, I don't need it, Pocket strong, listen, need me strong. Get freezing, young nigga, pay your deeders. Grandma, auntie Epic, auntie Nisa, Uncle Bo, auntie Greta, serve you Perkins. Auntie Eva, if she got a pound, she might just serve us. Pop a Perky just to start her. Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm her. Drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water.
So I'm definitely a huge believer in meal prepping, and if you are able to meal prep, it's definitely going to make it a lot easier for you to eat healthy and clean. If you do not have the free time and leisure throughout the day to prepare your meals, I definitely recommend meal prepping. And I used to meal prep all the time, but because I have so much time on my hands, it really isn't hard for me to get up and actually cook a meal. It actually gives me a little bit of liberation and to feel good to prepare my own food, so I don't mind doing that. But if you guys wanted to see a meal prep video, I wouldn't mind filming it. I hope that this video was super helpful with kickstarting your weight loss journey, or even if you just needed a quick little few new meals to incorporate in your already started clean eating. If you liked what you saw, please give your girl a thumbs up, which is a like, as well as subscribe. Leave a comment, tell me what's one of your favorite healthy things to eat, and as always, you guys, stay blessed. Bye guys.